Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have this amazing 2023 Suzuki DR650 Dual Spark. This bike only has 548 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock features, it has this really cool Rhino Walk adventure bags on them. Those bags were about $100, $120. Other than that, it's a completely stock bike. Other than one other thing, it's got a fender illuminator kit that you'll see in just a moment. This is a great dual sport bike. You'll save about $1,500 to $1,800 off a new one. Back here, actually, there's just some LED taillights, not a fender illuminator, but some nice cool LED taillights on there. But the bike is in amazing shape. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check on it. She's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as extended warranty on the bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.